With Georgia being the second largest cotton producing state in the country, keeping its growers up to date with all the recent policy changes is essential for the future of the industry. And that is not lost on the National Cotton Council, as they recently played host to a series of informational meetings around the state.
We are doing these actually across the Cotton Belt, both this week and next, and really it's important for growers to understand what the new provisions are of the One Big Beautiful Bill Act and what the new choices are and the new levels of support, because this is going to affect some of the decisions that they have to make, particularly as they move toward the 2026 crop. And really, with the financial situation that's out there now for growers, I mean, it couldn't come at a better time in terms of trying to help with some of the pressures they're facing.
This piece of legislation provides a bit of clarity for the cotton industry during these uncertain times, as the most recent farm bill, which was passed 7 years ago, had become outdated.
We started this process in 2021. We were hoping we were going to have a farm bill in 2023, and then one in 2024. And we're very grateful to have gotten the assistance from Congress and the administration that we got. But it certainly was a long time coming. The safety net was still there, the holes just got bigger. And so this sort of shores some of that up, at least for the time being.
However, the big question on every grower's mind is, will all these changes actually be good for their bottom line?
It is, and I think when we look at some of the changes, one, there's a significant increase in the reference price, which is that support level that's used in the PLC program. That's up about 14%. There's also an opportunity for some farms to add base acreage. And then finally, there's some critical changes for crop insurance that's going to give some more affordable options to growers to provide higher levels of coverage that they need.
Even though this might be a step in the right direction, there are still a number of issues that must be addressed in the coming years.
Admittedly, cotton industry is in a rough spot right now. So these policy changes are beneficial. But they're not everything that's going to help that producer's bottom line. And like I said, there's some other issues that the industry is tackling right now, some of which are policy related, but they're all focused on demand and consumption.
Those will be aimed at reversing a trend that has seen the amount of cotton being grown within the state fall over the past few years.
Timing is everything. Cotton producers in the state are really facing a hard time. When you look at our traditional acreages, we're the lowest in cotton that we've been since 1992 or 1993, somewhere in there. So that's a big enough alarm, in my opinion.
Reporting from Tifton, I'm Damon Jones for the Farm Monitor.